Hi, I'm LCL. Today I'm going to use TCS technology to make a vacuum tube clock. The main body of the clock, this oscilloscope tube was used. It consists of two groups of XY plates and a grid cathode anode. The cathode emits electrons to produce an electron beam. XY the plates to control the direction of the electron beam. We just need to design the circuit, control the beam. You can display the image you want. Start designing PCB. Got the PCB. Welding complete. The next step is for this oscilloscope tool to design a base. Using a 3D printer. Print a nice base. Spray paint. Paint. Finally, connect all the tail inserts on the oscilloscope tool. Get through. This is Cyberpunk 1977.